Hi, it's Adriano here. Today we're gonna cook my favorite chicken wings recipe. First, you're gonna add a cup of rice flour into a Ziploc bag. Now we're gonna add half cup of your favorite chicken rub. Today we're gonna cook with Meat Lab Thunderbird. Add that to the rice flour in a bag. Now give it a good mix. Now we have a kilo of chicken wings and we're gonna add in a bag. Next, zip it up and give it a good shake. Now leave aside for 30 minutes to marinate. While we're waiting the chicken to marinate, let's get the Weber kettle going at 250 Celsius. Make sure the charcoal basket is in the middle of the barbecue. Now the chicken's marinate, barbecue is ready. Place the chicken wings around the edge of the barbecue. Let's put the lid on and turn a quarter every 10 minutes. This wing should take 40 minutes. While the wings are cooking, let's do a quick sauce. Add to a pan 6 tablespoons hot sauce, 6 tablespoons butter, 1.5 tablespoons white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire this sauce, 1 teaspoon of Tabasco sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of your favorite chicken rub. Last but not least, we're gonna add our secret ingredient, guava paste. Add 100 grams in a saucepan. Now over the stove, let's heat up all the ingredients. I think the chicken wings ready. You know when you probe at 75 degrees Celsius. They're ready, let's take them off. When your sauce is mixed up and smooth, put in a bowl. Now the chicken wings is ready, let's add to the bowl. Now we need to give it some black glove action and mix them up. Now let's place to the tray for our final touch. Now we're gonna give a good coat of Kewpie mayo with sriracha. Last touch, sesame seeds. There you have it, my favorite chicken wings.